Welcome, my dear little brothers and sisters. Today we discuss about the numbers. Numbers. The numbers we discuss about first even number. Even number. Then odd number. Then composite number. Then prime number. So at first we discuss about the various types of number, even number, odd number, composite number and prime number. Which numbers are called even number? We use in mathematics 10 digits 0 to 9. 10 digits 0 to 9. In mathematics we use 10 digits that are 0 to 9. Let's now we discuss about even number. Which numbers are called even number? This number which are divisible by 2, that numbers are called even number. Which numbers are divisible by 2? Which numbers are divisible by 2? These numbers are called even number. Even number. Or we pair it, one pair, two pieces. Then we cut that number or divisible by that number in two pieces. These numbers are called even number. From 1 to 100, there are 100 numbers. So the even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, up to 100. Only 50 even numbers present in 1 to 100. Like as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 to 100. And others are the odd number, which numbers are not divisible by 2. Which numbers are not divisible by 2? These numbers are called odd number. Odd number. Like as 1, 3, 5, 7 up to 99. From 1 to 100, 50 odd numbers are present. In next, prime number. Prime number and composite number. Prime number. When we discuss about prime number, then we at first learn to how to factorize the numbers. How to factorize the numbers. What is factorization? If we multiply 2 or more numbers and get product, then the numbers are called factor of that product. Like this, if we write 6, then its product 1 into 6, 2 into 3, next 3 into 2, next 6 into 1. So we now product it's 6. Then the numbers are 1, 6, 2, 3, 3, 2, 6, 1. But the factors are not written in double. So the factor of 6, are 1, 2, 3, 6. When we write the factor of numbers, we write in ascending order of the numbers. When the product is a number, then which number are multiplied and the product is given to us, then the numbers are factors. So that at first we learn how to factorization the number, then we learn which numbers are called prime number and which numbers are called composite number. Now we can factorize from 2 to other number. So at first we factorize the 2. Number 2 equal to 1 into 2. The next number is 2 into 1. So that we could not write it because it is double. So factors of 2 are 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 3. Let's now write 3. 1 into 3. Factors of 3 are 1, 3. Then 4. 1 into 4. 2 into 2. So factors of 2 are factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Like we can now factorize the biggest number. 12. 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. So factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Now factor of 28. 28 equal to 1 into 28. Then 2 into 14, 4 into 7. So that factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 20. Now we can learn how to factorize the numbers. We learn from in this class how to factorize the numbers. When we factorize the numbers, we can easily define which numbers are prime number and which numbers are composite number. So that at first we learn prime number. Prime number. Which numbers are prime number? N number which is divisible by 1 and that number itself. That number is called prime number, or which number have only two factors. Only two factor 1 and the number itself. Which number have only two factor, 1 and the number itself? That number is called prime number. Prime number. So that now we discuss the prime number between 1 to prime number between 1 to 100. At first, the first prime number of the number. First prime number is 2. Smallest prime number is 2. It is also called the even prime number because it is divisible by 2. So it is an even number. It is an even number. And it is also prime number. So the smallest prime number is 2. The next prime number is 3, then 5, then 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, so the prime numbers between 1 to 100 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. These are 25 numbers, 25 prime numbers between 1 to 100. The smallest prime number 2. Smallest even prime number also 2. Smallest even prime number also 2. Now we write the composite number. Which numbers have more than 2 factors? These numbers are called composite number. Composite number. Which number have more than 2 factors are called composite number. Composite numbers. So the smallest composite number is 4. Smallest odd composite number is 9. 9 is an odd number because it is not divisible by 2. 9 is not divisible by 2, but it has more than 2 factors. 9 has 3 factors, 1, 3 and 9. So 9 is called composite number. So the smallest odd composite number is 9. Now we can know about the twin prime. Twin prime. Which numbers are called twin prime? If the difference between two prime number is 2. If the difference between two prime number is 2, then that pair of prime number is called twin prime number. Twin prime number. There are 8 pairs of twin prime numbers in 1 to 100. Between 1 to 100, there are 8 pairs of twin prime number. Because we call it pair, it has 2 numbers, so we call it pair. The first pair of twin prime number is 3 and 5. The second pair of twin prime number is 5 and 7. Third pair of twin prime number is 11 and 13. Fourth pair is 17 and 19. Fifth pair 29 and 31. Sixth pair is 41 and 43. Seventh pair is 59 and 61. Eighth pair is 71 and 73. So 8 pairs of twin prime number is between from 1 to 100. Let's now look at this. These numbers I have difference only 2. 3 and 5, the difference is 2. 5 and 7, the difference is 2. 11 and 13, the difference is 2. 17 and 19, the difference is 2. 29 and 31, the difference is 2. So which numbers have different, or in which the difference between two prime number is 2. This prime number difference is 2. So the pair of prime number is called twin prime. Then co-prime. Then co-prime number. Co-prime number. Co-prime number. Which numbers are called co-prime number? If two numbers have only one is a common factor in between two numbers, common factor only one. In between two numbers, common factor is only one. Then that pair of numbers are called co-prime number. Co-prime numbers. Look at this, 8 and 9. The factor of 8s are 1, 2, 4 and 3. 9, 1, 3 and 9. The common factor between them, 8 and 9, is 1. Common factor is 1. Common factor of 8 and 9 is 1. So this pair is also called 8 and 9. This pair is also called co-prime number. It is not necessary to that number should be a prime number. It also a composite number, or it also a even number. But the factor, the common factor is 1. When between two numbers the common factor is 1, then that numbers are called co-prime number. If you like this channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Then next we know about perfect number. Which numbers are called perfect number? Which numbers are called perfect number? Please, dear students, if you like this channel, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. In next class, we study about the FCF and LCM. But in this class, now I will talk about the numbers, prime number, composite number, odd number, even number. So that now in this process we got the perfect number. Which numbers are called perfect number? Which numbers are called perfect number? So the definition is, if the factor sum of the factor is twice than that number. If the sum of the factors is twice than that number, the number is called perfect number. If the sum of the factors is twice than that number, the number is called perfect number. Which numbers are perfect number? At first, we write the number 6. Its factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Sum of the factors, so we can add the factor of these numbers equal to 12. So 6 into 2 equal to 12. When we multiply 6 into 2, then we got 12. Then the sum of the factors is twice than that number. So 6 is a perfect number. 6 is a perfect number. The first perfect number in number system. The first perfect number in number system is 6. First perfect number of number system is 6. Then I only write the perfect numbers and describe it. You check all the numbers and try to comment me which numbers are perfect. So then 28. The factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Sum of the factors 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 plus 28. So 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, 7, 7, 7, 14, 14, 14, 28, 28 plus 28 equal to 56. This is also twice than that number. 28 into 2 equal to 56. So we can write 28 is also a perfect number. 28 is a perfect number. Perfect number. So in between 1 to 100, there are only two perfect numbers, 6 and 28. In between 1 to 100, there are only two perfect numbers, 6 and 28. we discuss about the only two perfect number which are present in between 1 to 100. But in next number, the greatest number, which is a bigger number, so it is difficult to find out its factor, or it is difficult to factorization. So that we got a formula for the next prime number. Sorry, next perfect number. The formula is 2 to the power p minus 1 into 2 to the power p minus 1. P is a prime number. So the first prime number is 2. So we can prove it. Otherwise, will be very difficult for us. So P is a prime number. The first prime number is 2. The smallest prime number is 2. So that 2 to the power 2 minus 1 into 2 to the power 2 minus 1. So 2 to the power minus 1, 2 to the power 1 into 2 to the 4 minus 1 equal to 2 into 3. 6. We can prove few seconds ago that 6 is a perfect number. So in this formula, this is also the result is 6. So 6 is also a 6 is perfect number. The next prime number is 2 to the power 3 minus 1 into 2 to the power 3 minus 1. Now look at the result 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 6 means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 1. 2 2s are 4, 2 equal to 4 into 8 minus 1, 7, 28. So 28 is also a perfect number. The next perfect number is the next prime number. You can write the next prime number. Next prime number is 2, then 3, then 5. 2 to the power 5 minus 1 into 2 to the power 5 minus 1. So we can write 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 5 means 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32. 32 minus 1. 2 to the 4 means 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16. 16 into 31. Multiplication 16 1s are 16, carry 1, then 16 3s are 48, 1 49. The next perfect number is 496. Again, you also check the next perfect number and comment in comment box. The next, I gave some homework to you. The homework is first write or factorize from 2 to 100. Factorize from 2 to 100. Factorize from 2 to 100. Then write 10 perfect number. Write 10 perfect number. Homework is that first factorize from 2 to 100, then write 10 perfect number. Write all 2 prime pairs from 1 to 100. Write 10 pairs of co-prime number. Co-prime numbers. So I get this homework to you. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you, my dear students.
Thank you.